clicking? Why is it not clicking? Wait, no, seriously, why is it not clicking? Can I stop? Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're gonna be showing you how to do CSS and HTML. So first of all, you want to open a folder. We're using an app called Sublime Text, but you can just use Notepad. Like you can do the exact same thing on Notepad. I'll show you how to do it on both by split screening. Alright, so first what you want to do is
save the file as an HTML file.
The first what you want to do, save the file as an HTML file. So you want to do save as. And then you want to name it anything. So let's name it website. And then you got to put .html. And now it's saved. Then you can do the exact same thing on Notepad.
And by the way, guys, this video is sponsored by Notepad. We will have a link to Notepad in the description.
Alright, so the rest of it will be the same. So first what you want to do is start the theme. So
do alligator mouth.
HTML. Wait, how does the shortcut work? Oh yeah, okay.
So with Sublime you can do this feature.
Yeah, it's an app called Sublime. It's like Notepad but better.
It's made for coding.
Alright, so first what you want to do is type in this. It just makes sure that works on websites. You want to type in that, and you want to put this at the end. This will go at the end of every HTML thing.
And every time you open one of these, you want to close them.
And every time you open something, you want to close it by adding \. So first we want to create the head. To
you
create
mean the title?
No, head.
The title.
We might have to import CSS later.
Not now. First we're learning the title.
So first we put in head, and then title. Make sure you end everything with a \, and you can name the title anything. And this is what it shows on the screen. So let's say we make our title this, and then we save it using... And then on Notepad, what you have to do is you have to find the file in the folder. Shoot, where'd it go? Where did I save it at? So you want to actually know where you saved it. Put in like 3D objects. And then when you open it, you want to...
Sublime's free, by the way.
You want to do that, and you want to press open with Chrome. And as you can see, our title is in our website, and we made our very first website. We can host it later, but we're not going to do that.
And there's also a shortcut with Sublime. You go right-click.
Shut the fuck up, no.
You go right-click, and then you go open in browser.
Yeah, that works too. Then in the
body is like the text.
Body is where most of your coding is going to be done. Like pictures, text, nav bars, just everything's going to be in the body. No. Title is just title and importing CSS.
No, head is importing CSS. Title is in the head, and title is the title.
That's what I meant, John. Alright, so there's many different ways of text. So first of all, you have P, which means paragraph. And when you want to do a paragraph, you just do whatever this thing's called, P, and then that. And you want to end it with the same thing, but with a \. Inside, you can put anything you want, like, and then when you save it and reload it, it'll show up as a paragraph. You don't have to change the font, but we'll figure that out later.
Yeah, we can do all the advanced stuff later. This is just to teach you how to make a website.
You can also put. There's also 5 types. There's 6 types of headings, going from H1 to H6. H1 being the biggest, H6 being the smallest, and you use these when you want to start off something.
Yes, you do. When you start off something, you want to use them.
And then don't forget to end all of these, like with the whatever it's called.
With the names, yes. Oh yeah, did you know that So yeah, and if you want a free code to buy Notepad in the store, just email us.
Yes.
Because Notepad made a joke that they're free, but they're really not.
Oh yeah, and in the headings you can put anything you want, like heading 1. Just put that there. And then when you save it, as you can what? No. So when you save it, you can open the website, and as you can see, they're going from biggest to smallest. And just to prove that it doesn't work without this thing, let's take this away. Wait, save it. What the heck? How's it still working? Well, still, you gotta end it on Notepad. This is just a feature. And as you can tell, they can go from big to small.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, sorry.
Hello, guys,
sorry
and
about
welcome
that.
back to the video.
Sorry about that. I accidentally pressed Alt S. So, as you can see, it goes from biggest to smallest. This being the smallest heading, this being the biggest heading.
And cheese is not included.
Yes, this is part of the paragraph that we wrote earlier. And if you want to change the order, all you have to do is change the order through here. All right, next I'm going to teach you how to import images, which should be image source.
Yes,
Source. Wait, what is it?
equals.
Equals href, right?
It's called H. Wait, try href.
What?
A space href.
What do we do? Okay, so just look away.
And also, this video is sponsored by WikiHow. For all the needs that you don't know how to do, go to wikihow.com.
Yes. It's just image source equals. I told you, John. There's no. You don't need href. Okay.
So what website should we, let's just get an image from online and plug
Yeah, let's
in
just
the
get an
link.
image. So let's say we want an image of the annoying orange. So we get a picture of him, right?
Copy link address.
No, we save the image.
No, that's
No,
different.
this works better. And you want to put it in the same. You want to put it in the same folder as your.
No, it works better.
John, seriously.
I'm an expert.
You put it in the same vein where as your website. And now, as you can see, this is called download.jpg. So you put download.jpg, and then you close the image, right?
Yes, you do. No, you don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. You just end it with.
Oh yeah, you just end it with this thing. And if you reload it, see, there's a picture of the annoying orange. And what else should we teach them? John, what do we teach them?
Let's teach them lists. I'll take it from here.
No, John. Okay, so there's two types of lists. There's unordered list, which is UL, and there's ordered list, which is OL.
We should organize this a little bit.
Ordered list is when
Those numbers.
and unordered list
It's bullet points.
What the dick. Okay, so
Here, first let's organize it, because it looks ugly.
let's not. You can organize it on your own time. That's just not the type of person I am. All right, so to get an ordered list, you just gotta.
You gotta go
it's A.
tab and then li. No. No. You close the li.
And then you put whatever you want on your list here. So let's say
Chicken tenders. Put that.
Okay, so let's say we want to make a list of like shopping supplies. What you want to do is first you want to make a heading right above the list. So let's make the heading shopping supplies. Okay, and then now you want to put this under the list. So let's say the first thing you want is chicken tenders. What do we want? I forgot to close it. Okay, what do we want next on the list? What? Okay, and don't forget to close all of your lists. Okay, now that we finished our list, we can just save it, and as you can tell, it shows our shopping supplies and then an ordered list. Ordered list is the exact same thing, and I don't feel like writing it, so I'll just copy it again. But with numbers. Watch. See, look. Then you can put anything you want on these. Is that all we got for you today?
Also, my name is John, and I got a degree from Harvard, and
Why are you laughing? This stuff is serious.
yes,
Should we teach them how to center it, or should we do that with CSS?
we'll do that with CSS.
Okay, and last but not least, bye.